Ghana youth. And as we were here once again. I am sorry. A whole lot in the course of Ghana, but we'll be saying. You can see a kind I know, say we need to stand up and talk about it. They won't say, yeah, we are fighting for peace and doing the right thing. But me, the message that I have for you as a youth, and I say, there is a lot of noise going on. A lot of noise in Ghana. I've been there recently, but noise in the I know people who are very quiet, listening to the silence. And those people are going to be the future leaders because they are now planning and making money. What I say? Auntie, what honor we did na buying is buying no medical catch us on your shame. Because Okodua, you see the priorities are not your priorities. When I want from now work come now work on say any and they are buying on farm home no na miss legon. Na any mu kra no as fat na wo de kɔ ne fie ni inside. Aside that called the V8 mu. A bobom pe mu a on feel on ne car no the mo de no sim. To waste no be bia be ya. What I say, he does not care. If you want to be somebody one person waste no one name be ya. Listen to what I'm telling you. Left here UTI is going to help you. Sit down, go to YouTube, will be idea na implement in Ghana. Me wa broche ha. Me call shop almost that way. Ghana a friend a bro ene nkate. Eno obi adwuma wati krom o so aba broche we no you. And he's making money. More than a mom call office near their dinner. Do you know how much I weigh back with a boaty? Where what I say? Me turn $6. $6, so they call Ghana, I say. What was a human or mining? I'm not saying say a human or mining. Yeah, truly. There is no enough industry. Our camp or mining as a youth on the Benya, but one as an individual, then we are mount. Yet one man, a young guy, be okay in UST when you also wear you, okay, A1 bread. Now, say, meaning African shop A1 bread in America. And he may catch us a tap into the opportunity, sir. I'm not saying it's opportunity need that one I walk for. Think. Let come up with something simple. Obi na eton a brony in Katian. Recently, me call a Mexican company be on ton a briar to ton. Me say a briar to quiet to ton. Obi owa America heavy henny. Everyone say Goya was a go-go is a Goya company. Yeah, cocoa na ye to African. Or my packaging and or my freezy. And they say no, oko toko corner ya to tona. A she package mu nice package mu na wa ba no be hit na wedi. Idea we oko Ghana very common. It's somebody's idea. Our diaba. What you say? And the men can say there is no business. I know so because a capital any ho. A Bruni nkate. Capital sign na we hear the year Bruni nkate. The person me show nyina say the system is hard. And na go because the mpanyimfo na wo do ani ato omo mfa ho. Akwaji loan 20 years no betia 20 years na sa mpanyimfo bebrewu. Ye na eba be ye mpanyimfo. Ba wo mpese wo besan bre in the next 20 years ti dem make a chow. Get a business going. Say be ya ye kasa obetima ka bi. Enye sa wo ma besan bebre no ma ba be ye activist said ye wo ye ya obekwa kodi akire gidigidi na police ni bia wan ko train ya wan hweso nsua na ade no okun enkosi hwe. An police ni ba ko wu on the way Ghana for vibrate. But individual who Ghana as a mpo enye amanfo no be ye bia ye bete ho asema onte. There are a lot of people, innocent people who for no reason. And who now you innocent person, especially young guys, young ladies, do something. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to tell you what to do. By Biana Mema examples, no. Say a young guy no koye car sometime bia or safo kantanka mo fa no mo ne ye or mo ye ne car models. I don't think say I didn't be able to cross on koye demonstration. I know say we need to stand up and do all those demonstrations just to make sure that the country is going. But first, we have demonstration we now banner come the war. If you go there, you'll be violent. What I say, and then no never solve a problem because or more power. The uncle of one hour chase you or more power, they will kill you and they will go scot-free. Or more better now brutal now what to one not come do. Quiet demonstration you be uncle see. What I say, auntie, this is my little advice. Plan and get something going. Among 4 year color will in our package a ton and they are making it. Unye sika say Bill Gates, unye sika say Kennedy and one, but at least kakakra ono maame na wo ebeso so na de you will get what you say whilst you are looking for a better opportunity. And this is my little advice for you. So you fa dede bebre koso sa hwan so asene no so ne nam honom twene so ye ne de we ye say oh it's good obiara ne adwuma oye. But remember say oh yes, I did no more money. They are making money out of YouTube. They are making money out of Facebook. Whatever they are doing, right? Until you have to be smart about it. You don't have to waste your time, your energy. Says Kafiana or they got internet credit. You know. You could have been doing something with data and get more profit instead of losing. So a word to a wise is enough. Remember, penyini biya amwao, because our policy now took place, and when the two is going to affect them, and they would not do anything that will affect them.